Hey everyone, how are you? I'm fine. Today in this video I'm going to show you that how can you generate custom QR codes using Python in a few lines of code. By the end, you'll be able to turn any text or URL into a scannable image. So to learn this, stay with me. So firstly, we'll have to install a package for this project named QR code, and for additional functionalities you have to use third bracket and inside it write PIL for installing additional features. Hit enter and everything should be installed within a few seconds. So it has installed. Now let's go on our main task. So firstly, import that. We know that after installing any package, the first task is to install to import that in our project. So write QR code, and now we'll have we'll have to assign a few variables because we need them mostly, and variables are mostly used to use them later. So that's why I'm gonna use URL variable. So with a function called input to input a text which is enter an URL. I'm gonna say my users to enter a URL, and just as the best practice you have to add a function with this which is strip, and now one more variable which is file path because we need this to save our QR code in a path of files. So which will be the file path, will be clarifying that in this line. So I'm gonna save my QR code into this file path. So just copy this file path and just hit or paste it here. And now main task is when we'll generate the QR code, the QR code will have a name. So the which or what will be the name, will be explaining that QR code code dot png, it will be the name of that QR code file. So now here we'll have to assign a one more variable which is QR equals to QR code dot QR code. Remember that first QR code is in small case and the later one is in capital. So now QR dot add data, and the data should be URL. This is the data. And now we'll have to work for image. So first variable image, and now here QR dot make image, and now the image should be saved where the image should be saved in file path. And after all of this, I'm gonna print a text. It's not necessary, but I'm gonna print, that is print your QR code was generated successfully. So let's try it. For that I'm gonna use my channel's link. So just for generating the QR code, we have to run the file. So just click run, and it should take time to be run. So first it's asking us for entering an URL. I'm gonna move it top. So just paste our channel's URL, and this is a channel URL. I don't need this part, and I'm gonna hit enter, and it's saying that your QR code was generated successfully. So let's check it. What do you think? What do you think? Has the QR code generated or not? Let's check it. Oh, the magic! We have got our QR code. So this was the QR code, and now if we scan it, so you'll get redirected to my channel. And it's really awesome because within these a few lines of Python code you can generate your own QR code generator, and You can even convert it in APK or any version to share it with your friends, relatives, and anyone. And you can even use this for business purpose. So this was our video today, and in my future or in the next video, which topic about should I bring video, comment below and I'll bring video about that topic. So Python, I'm gonna teach you, and I'm even learning Python. I'm not expert, or I'm not expert developer of Python. I'm even learning Python and then teaching all of you to memorize. So bye bye, Allah Hafiz.